客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph 林。
Joseph， 我諗講風采要來耶。
風采是誰啊？要來了，是不是？
風采是颱風。
Oh, it's a typhoon. That's right. Summertime is also typhoon time. 那今天來教幾句跟颱風有關的。
好啊，你看颱風要來了，記得要待在家，別出門。
Very good. Typhoon is coming. Stay home. Don't go out.
風采會來了，
風采會來了，
愛啲vugḥha̦，
愛啲vugḥha̦，
莫出門。
莫出門。聽說今年會有很多個颱風哦。
對呀，那我們就教這句。
好啊。
tanğgongὼ̀ginန့，
tanğgongģginញា，
我要dongďdođe風采，
我要dongďdođe風采。All right, it's typhoon time, so let's review these phrases about typhoons, including 要待在家 please stay home,
愛啲vugḥha̦，
愛啲vugḥha̦, and then don't go out, 別出門，
莫出門。
莫出門 because typhoon is coming, 颱風
風采，
風采 and there you have it, another round of practical Hakka on ICRT.
是不大家？
自say 張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.